weekly tips and tricks videos, and wanted to go over a thing, something that is super simple, super easy to do, but a lot of people miss the mark on it. And so that's going to be cleaning your gun. So we just got through painting this part right here. It's all black, it's all clear coated, everything looks great with it. And so now that we've got everything painted, now we need to clean the gun out. So we could take and go out there, go ahead, clean everything out, disassemble everything, and pretty much take about 5 or 10 minutes on scrubbing and cleaning and everything like that. But I wanted to shoot a quick little video and kind of show you guys some neat things about a new gun cleaner that we have. And so what we're going to do here is we've already still got the black that's in this gun, and so I need to change it out. And so especially whenever you're doing like hydrographics or custom coatings, a lot of the times you may batch things in multiple parts that are in the same booth at the same time. And so this one part may go white, this one part may go black, you got a couple of them over here that goes red, and so then that way you've got, so let's just say 3 different colors. By having this gun cleaner that we've got here, you can really help yourself out in having the ability to change it just like that on the fly, and then not have to tear everything down, clean it all out, and then you're wasting 5 or 10 minutes on every color whenever you need to just switch to different colors faster and faster. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to unhook the paint. So we'll unhook the air, turn it upside down, and then pull the trigger back just like normal. We'll pull this off, and so now we have a all black that's still in the gun itself. And so we have some black around the tip here from spraying and things like that. So the neat thing that we've made is that we can hook this back up to the air, and then what we're going to grab is we're going to grab the spray gun cleaner that we've got. And so this comes in an aerosol can, and so what makes it nice about an aerosol can is that we can take this and we can adjust it however we need to. But what's nice is that whenever we're spraying, we can literally clean it all out instantly right here. Now the trick is that the minute you pull it off and that you're done with it, you need to start cleaning it out. You don't want to let it dry or anything like that. Of course, that's pretty standard for even if you're cleaning your gun out there. But while you're in the booth, you can literally take and of course blow out any extra overspray that you might have, or any extra paint that might still be in the actual gun itself. And then you can start using the gun cleaner, and it comes with this nozzle on every one of them, so it makes it a lot easier. So we can take and start blowing this out just a little bit, just like this right here. And then now that we've got that all mostly cleaned out, then we can actually take the tip of it in here and put it down inside of it like this, and actually go like that just to kind of flush out anything that's in the actual gun itself. And so again, we can pull the trigger and kind of keep purging that, and then you can keep spraying it just like that. And then now you're pretty much clean and you're ready to go. Now again, we've got a little bit that's on the air horns and the front cap, so we can come back in and blow these out. And again, with this aerosol like this, it really helps because it's got enough force to really push that aerosol into the part itself and really get off any overspray or anything like that that you've got. And so now we can purge that out, and then we're pretty much ready to go. Now, if you want to make sure that you don't have any contamination, you can quickly unhook that, grab you a air blower right there, and then you can hook that back up. Blow that off like that, and then now you're ready to go with your next color. This isn't always something that you have to do, but if you want to make sure that you pretty much evaporate that very quickly with the air, then you can definitely do that, and then that way you don't run the risk of going from one color to another, and maybe there's still some of that gun cleaner that's still left in the actual gun itself. So now we can put that back up, hook this back on, and then hook another color onto it. Now again, I always recommend purging it out, so hook the other color onto it, Give it a good spray here and there just to make sure that it kind of flushes anything that's out of the gun, and then start spraying your next color. So literally within 30 seconds to a minute, you can easily go from color to color to color, and then at the end of the day or something like that, you can still break the gun down, clean it all out, have it ready to go for the next day. But having the ability to switch from color to color, or even from clear coat to clear coat, or anything like that, really helps tremendously in having the ability to pretty much just swap over all those colors just like this right here. All right, so hopefully this has really helped you guys out. I know we use it all the time whenever we're doing a lot of our batches, even on bigger jobs, smaller jobs, any job. That's pretty much what we switched to here at our shop, and it's worked really well. We're very happy about it, and we've been using it for close to probably about a year now, and it's been running really well. It keeps the guns really cleaned up nice, and then again, at the end of the day, or whenever you plan on cleaning out your gun, you can tear it all down, clean it all out, and it really helps the everyday workflow work a lot better. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And also, if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks that we put out every week on anything that's custom painted or hydrographics related. So I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts. We're making hydrographics great again. We'll see you guys next time.